Hello and good morning to everyone. So today we will do the discussion on the use of the bracket. So how the situation it will come such that we will create the idea to use the bracket. So one of the example I am doing the discussion. Then after from that discussion after you will get the clearance that where you can use the bracket. Okay, so one of the question it is given Tanmay and Bhiyan plays every day for 2 and 3 hours respectively. It means Tanmay plays for 2 hours regularly and Bhiyan plays for 3 hours regularly. The question it is given that how many hours do they play for a week? For every day, Tanmay play for 2 hours and Bhiyan plays for the 3 hours. It is asked that for a total whole week togetherly they play for how many hours? Okay, so for a week means week it is of 7 days. So previously actually we got the knowledge to do this type of question just like this. Tanmay plays in a week equal to single day, otherwise every day Tanmay plays for 2 hours. So for 7 days, otherwise in a week Tanmay plays for 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So Tanmay plays in a week it is equal to 14 hours. Thereafter Bhiyan plays in a week equal to 3 into 7 equal to 21. Every day Bhiyan plays for 3 hours. So for 7 days, otherwise in a week Bhiyan plays is equal to 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Now in a week Tanmay plays for 14 days and Bhiyan plays for the 21 days. So togetherly they play for 14 plus 21 is equal to 35. So this one it is the common otherwise general method which we have been doing from the beginning. But now the same question I will do in the another way. Actually here it is the situation it is one is playing for 2 hours, another one is playing for the 3 hours. But one it is same between the two, one it is 7 days. It is also for the week calculation, it is for the week calculation. It means 7 is the common between them. So in this type of a situation, the question can be done by using the bracket also. See how by using the bracket the same question can be done. Listen, Tanmay plays for 2 hours regularly and Bhiyan plays for regularly 3 hours. So togetherly in a single day they play for 2 plus 3. Understood or not understood? It is the use of the bracket. By using the bracket we will solve just like this. So Tanmay plays in a single day it is for 2 hours and Bhiyan plays for 3 hours regularly. So for which regularly they plays togetherly for 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 hours. Togetherly Tanmay and Bhiyan plays for 2 hours plus 3 hours. Understood or not understood? It means a sum of 2 hours and 3 hours. So togetherly they play in 7 days equal to togetherly they play for this much within the bracket sum of 2 and 3. So togetherly they play for 7 days equal to togetherly they play for 1 day equal to this much 2 plus 3 hours. So togetherly they play for 7 days, otherwise togetherly they play in a week equal to 7 into sum of 2 and 3. Understood or not understood? So which one it is? 7 and within the bracket 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So for which the next step it becomes 7 into 5 which is equal to 35 hours. So tell me which one it is easy? Understood? Which situation it comes, for that we will use the bracket. You understood or not understood? Whenever anything is common, just like my value, this one it is the common. Otherwise another example it is me and Rama, we both went to the market. I purchased 2 pens and my friend Rama purchased 5 pens. So and the cost of the each pen it is 10 rupees. Cost of each pen equal to 10 rupees. So this pen it is 10 rupees, also this pen it is 10 rupees. Normal way is 10 into 2 equal to 20 and this one it is 10 into 5 equal to 50. Then after 50 plus 20 equal to 70. But with the easy trick, how to use the easy trick? Because here it is the price it is same. This pen it is of same quality. So price it is 10 means each pen cost equal to 10. So for which 10 into this much, also 10 into this much. So for which 10 it is common. So for this type of situation, Ramo and me total purchase the number of a pen equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7 within the bracket 5 plus 2. Okay, so then after, so the total price equal to 5 plus 2 into 10. 7 into 10 equal to 70. Understood? So now we will do the discussion how to expand the bracket. How to expand the bracket. Okay, so one of the question it is given that 8 into 107. 8 into 107. See here, suppose one is multiplying 8 with the 107, so it will take some time. So here with the expand form of the bracket, by seeing in a single step, orally also you can say the answer, it will be how much. Whenever any of the number you are getting, and with the any number, another factor, another number, it is nearer to 10, nearer to 100, nearer to 1000, nearer to 10,000. If the situation you are getting just like this, how to split that number? You have to break in the form of that number plus how much. Suppose it is here, it is 8 into 107, so it can be written as 107, it is nearer to 100. So for which 107 can be splitted in the form of 100 plus 7. So it means next step I can write 8, and in the place of 107 I can write it in the form of 100 plus 7. Okay, so here it is within the bracket 100 plus 7 it is here, and 8 is outside the bracket. Remember which one it is outside the bracket, that outside number it should be multiplied with each of the number within the bracket. So within the bracket two numbers are there, 8 into 100, 8 should be multiplied with 100, also 8 it should be multiplied with 7, and 8 should be multiplied with 100, 8 should be multiplied with 7. Then after in between them plus sign I have to give, because within the bracket two numbers are added, for which in between them I have to add. If within the bracket minus sign it is there, so for which in between the outside number product it should be subtraction. So for which 8 into 100 equal to 800, and 8 into 7 equal to 56. So 800 plus 56 is equal to 856. Tell me how easy? Tell me how easy? Understood or not understood? Another question I am showing you, another question, it is of different varieties, because both the numbers are nearer to 100. Here it is a single number, it is nearer to 100, but in the double I am showing you that the both the numbers whose product it is asked to find out, both the numbers are nearer to 100. Whenever you are getting the situation is just like this, you have to break both the numbers. See 103, so it means nearer to 100, 104 also nearer to 100, for which I broke it just like this, 100 plus 3, it means 103, I can break it in the form of 100 plus 3, and 104 I can break it in the form of 100 plus 4. Whenever here it is 2, here it is 2, see within the bracket first number it is our 100, so first number must be multiplied with the second total factor. So 100 must be multiplied with the second total factor, and second term 3 must be multiplied with the total factor 100 plus 4. First term of the first factor multiplied with the total second factor. Second term of the first factor must be multiplied with the total second factor. So 100 multiplied with the 100 plus 4, and 3 multiplied with 100 plus 4. So now it is converted it into just like our previous situation. 100 multiplied with 100 plus 4, it means 100 should be multiplied with the 100, then after 100 should be multiplied with the 4, and in between them plus sign should be given. Once again the same formula we have to apply at there. It means 3 should be multiplied with 100, 3 into 100, and 3 should be multiplied with 4. So 3 into 4, and in between them also we have to give the plus sign. Then after finally we have to add only. So here it is 100 into 100 equal to 10,000, 100 into 4 equal to 400, 100 into 3 equal to 300, and 4 into 3 equal to 12. So here it is clearly seen that how to do the addition. 10,000, here it is 400, 300, 400, 300, 700, 700, that one it is 12. So 712 plus 10,000. So 10,000 plus 712 equal to 10,712. Understood? Understood? So previous one only once the distributive property it was applied, but here it is twice the distributive property it was applied. Understood or not understood? So you have to remember this. In our next class we will do the discussion of the Roman numeral. Thank you. Have a nice day.